Hi guys, it's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day, and oh God, it's Christmas Day, and as you can tell, I'm really not feeling so hot. um, I wanted to make a comment about that that last video I posted. I think it was yesterday, maybe the day before, whatever that was. That was a request for someone who sent me a private message, so I'm not going to say who it was because I don't know if they want me to. Who just oh God. Who just sort of wanted sorry, I'm a mess, guys. Who wanted a sneezing video, but without talking, just wanted straight up sneezing, which I don't normally do. But as I cannot stop. I'm so stuffy. Oh God. But who wanted that, so I did that for them. And I realized that I gave like literally no context as to what I was doing. In a way, I just didn't say anything like I normally do. So I figured I'd just explain that. Sorry, but anyway, this is just gonna be a short video. I'm really not feeling well. I want to go back to my bed. But I just wanted to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hope you're feeling better than I am. And yep. Love you all. Bye.